Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and today we're going to put together this cute little box. You can pick them up usually at the dollar stores, and it's just a tiny little treasure box type item. We gave it a nice coat of cream colored paint, and it's dry now and we're going to plant it. So I've got a piece of plastic that we're just going to fill this little bit with soil right here. Just using regular old potting soil. Tuck it in the corners. And we pre-moisten the soil so it packs in a little bit nicer. When we're doing a little project like this, we like to kind of tuck the soil in a little deeper, and then we're just going to tuck in the edges of the plastic. And then we've got it filled with dirt. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit more dirt. There we go. Okay, so we have a little selection of some succulents here. Some little cute guys. Can you see them? Yeah, you can see them if I put them there. Nice purpley colored ones. Some orange and more greeny blue. This has even got more purple on it. This one's more green, and this one has red tips. So we're just gonna shut the box and put the succulents in. You can arrange these however you want. We've got lots of succulents for you to choose from. I'm gonna change this. Gonna pull that back out and shut it, and then add some more, and then we'll clean up the plastic after. There we go. So you can arrange them really however you want to, and then we'll add in, ooh, I love this orange one. We're gonna add in some moss so that it looks really good. Someone's asking, do succulents need a lot of direct sunlight? They'll do better in direct light. If you put them in low light, you're gonna probably run into some issues. So what we will do with this baby is we're going to leave the box laying down. That way they root in and don't fall out. When you come visit the greenhouse, you can see all the moss. This is our succulent bar. So we've got rocks and seashells and colored sand and colored moss for you to decorate with. So that's what we're gonna use, is backfill this with some moss. So we've got this really nice natural color. I really like it. And this is kind of a burnt coral color, and I really like this too. So I'm gonna use some of the burnt coral because it plays off of that orange in there. And you just gently tuck some pieces in just to hide all the dirt. You want to hide that soil. I'm going to use some of this creamy colored moss as well. Really finishes these little projects off. And it's a lot of fun to do as well. So a project like this we want to put in the sunlight. We definitely want it to have light. It can't go outside until it's done freezing at night. So you have to be mindful of where it goes, but a good east or south or west sunny window would be appropriate. The north just doesn't quite have enough light for your succulents to thrive. Temporarily, it's okay, but long term, we want to see more light. So I'm just gonna pop it open and tuck that plastic back in. And for watering, we're going to water it good watering every 2 weeks for sure. And that would be about a cup of water on this. So there you go.